Hello everyone, welcome to Keep Learning at the Rate Be Creative. Today's geometry problem is, we have been given line L is parallel to BC and AB equals AC. We have to find the value of angle X. We have been given that the line L is parallel to BC, so let us mark this. So if you mark this, we have been given line L is parallel to one of the side BC of the triangle. Second information which is given to us is that AB is equals to AC. So from here what we can conclude that since the two sides of the triangle are equal, then the angle opposite to them will be equal. So opposite to AB we have angle C and opposite to AC we have angle B. So we can say that angle ACB will be equals to angle ABC. Now let us assume that this angle B equals to A and mark it in the diagram. Now we can apply the angle sum property of the triangle, that is angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC equals 180 degree. Since we know two angles in the form of variable and one value we know. So if we substitute the value, we are going to get the equation A plus 70 degree is equals to 180 degree. If you further simplify this, you are going to get the value of A as 55 degree. But we need to find the value of angle X. So let us find out, is there any relation between angle X and angle A. So we haven't used the information that line L is parallel to BC till now. So if we apply this condition that the lines are parallel, that is line segment BC and L is parallel, so what we can say that we have the alternate angle. So here you can see this alternate interior angle. So we can say that angle X will be equals to angle A. So from this we can say angle X is equals to angle A, alternate interior angles. So from this we get the value of X as 55 degree. So the final answer to this question will be 55 degree. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel.